Hello and welcome to SatTV Week, the news programme for the international satellite industry. In this week's programme, James looks at the latest launch developments, Helen talks to Arsen Murad of Optimal Satcom, and Carrie-Anne has the news headlines. But first, AsiaSat 7 has arrived at the Baikonur Space Centre in Kazakhstan, where it will be launched aboard an ILS Proton Breeze M vehicle provided by ILS on the 26th of November. The FSS spacecraft will provide TV, voice and VSAT networks across the Asia-Pacific region and will ultimately replace AsiaSat 3S at the orbital location of 105.5 degrees east longitude when the latter reaches its end of life in 2014. The satellite is based on the Space Systems Loral 1300 platform. Now here's Carrie-Anne with the news headlines.
The first lightweight Vega has been delivered to the spaceport, with this latest member of Arianespace's expanded launcher family arriving only days after the service entry of its other new vehicle, the medium-lift Soyuz. Vega came to French Guiana aboard the MN Colibri roll-on roll-off ship, which docked yesterday at Kourou's Pariacabo port after a 2-week Atlantic crossing from Europe, and was unloaded this morning for the launcher's transfer by road to the spaceport. Gilat Satellite Networks has announced that its wholly owned subsidiary, SpaceNet Inc., has been selected by Cumberland Farms to upgrade and manage its communications infrastructure for over 600 stores across 11 states. The upgraded network solution will utilise DSL service to deliver higher network performance and a VSAT satellite overlay to maintain business continuity at each site. SpaceNet will install the award-winning Prism Pro network management device at each location to monitor and manage this hybrid network. Intellian Technologies has announced a strengthened partnership with Speedcast for the commercial shipping and offshore oil and gas markets. Speedcast has expanded the reach and capabilities of its global maritime broadband service to address a broader base of end customers. The service now extends across more than 20 Ku-band beams, covering nearly all major shipping lanes and offshore regions. The global maritime broadband service is one of the most widely deployed VSAT offerings in the world and is ideally suited to the advanced Intellian antenna technology. With Intellian recently selected as one of Speedcast's preferred suppliers, the companies are now offering flexible and extremely cost-effective broadband packages benefiting from Intellian's wide range of high-quality, robust, low-maintenance antennas and Speedcast's wide range of broadband plans and global coverage.
Now here's James with the launch news.
Last Friday, October 21st, Arianespace's milestone double mission success saw a Soyuz launcher's inaugural flight from French Guiana to place Europe's first 2 Galileo navigation satellites into orbit. Lifting off from the ELS launch site in the spaceport's northwestern sector, the Russian-built Soyuz performed a 3-hour, 49-minute flight to inject its 2 Galileo in-orbit validation spacecraft into a circular medium-Earth orbit. Arianespace chairman and CEO Jean-Yves Le Gall said that Soyuz already has become a commercial success, with 14 firm payload contracts booked for missions, all signed prior to the inaugural flight. The Galileo payloads were carried on a dispenser developed for Arianespace that accommodates these spacecraft in a side-by-side arrangement. The satellites were deployed with the use of a pyrotechnic separation system that simultaneously released them in opposite directions. SpaceX has successfully completed the preliminary design review of its revolutionary launch abort system, a system designed for manned missions using its Dragon spacecraft. This represents a major step towards creating an American-made successor to the Space Shuttle. NASA's approval of the latest design review marks the 4th successfully completed milestone under the agency's Commercial Crew Development Program. Following the end of the shuttle program, the US now relies on the Russian Soyuz spacecraft for astronaut transport, costing American taxpayers as much as $62 million a seat. By comparison, Dragon is designed to carry 7 astronauts at a time for an unparalleled $20 million per seat.
Murad, can you please give me a summary of the company's activity and the type of customers that Optimal SATCOM serves?
Yes. Optimal SATCOM specializes in systems and software for satellite capacity management, satellite network design, optimization. Our customers include satellite operators, satellite service providers, and those entities that really need to manage significant amounts of satellite capacity, such as the military. We normally work with the larger customers, those managing anywhere from a few hundred megahertz of satellite capacity to multi-satellite fleets, providing them with enterprise-wide integrated systems that help them manage really all aspects of their satellite capacity, the technical side, the operational side, the financial side, and customer-facing services as well. As Optimal SATCOM, and previously as part of our heritage companies, ComSat and Lockheed Martin, we've been involved in development of some of the largest custom systems out there. Strip 7 for Intelsat, the CNM system that's used to manage all of the U.S. military satellite capacity on the military satellites. There we worked as a subcontractor to Northrop Grumman. We worked on the UMP program for the UK Ministry of Defense Skynet program, SatCenter and Complan, which we provided to New Skies, and now we're part of SES. Now we focus more on providing off-the-shelf, commercial off-the-shelf-based solutions revolving around our products ECM and Complan, which, to tell you the truth, have become a lot more capable and are very, very cost-effective for these kinds of systems.
And finally, what will Optimal SATCOM's objectives be over the coming year? Our
goal and our role with ECM and Complan is really to help our customers increase operational efficiency. ECM, with its integrated approach to capacity management, facilitates high level of efficiency within the organization, eliminates waste, allows our customers to easily track key business metrics so that they can really very quickly identify the successful elements of their business in terms of services, market segments, etc. Complan is it's a highly technical tool designed for detailed analysis and optimization of network designs, and it's really meant to squeeze that last bit of capacity out of satellite systems. And we've done this over a number of years, and we look forward to bringing these very cost-effective solutions to a greater number of our customers and potential customers over the next 12 months.
The team behind NASA's New Horizons mission to Pluto and the Kuiper Belt has launched a free app that takes iPhone and iPad users along this historic voyage to the planetary frontier. The app includes a locator for following New Horizons along its path towards Pluto and a countdown clock to check exactly how much time remains, down to the second, before New Horizons sails past the dwarf planet and 4 moons on July the 14th, 2015. Another tool connects users to the Ice Hunters program to find potential New Horizons flyby targets in the Kuiper Belt beyond Pluto. New Horizons is the first mission to Pluto and the Kuiper Belt of rocky, icy objects beyond. And finally, WTA's newest report, Inside the Top Operators of 2010, takes an insider's look into the world's biggest and fastest growing teleport operators based on data they submitted for the 2010 Top Operators rankings. The report explores trends in revenue growth, pricing, transmission capacity, and a mix of services from companies with combined annual revenues of $12.8 billion US. For more information, see Richard's WTA report special. That's all for this week. Thank you for watching.